If someone would ask you what are the most beautiful things in life, I think everyone would say the same things, which are probably like, I don't know, anime, video games, and of course your bed. Well, not yours, mine. Well, ours. Your own bed, because sleeping is an activity we can all do hopefully for 7 to 8 hours every night. But I was thinking, how can I make sleep better? So I decided to buy products that claim to enhance your sleep and kind of make a tier list of them. If you guys have watched my videos before, you know I have used these like Soundcore sleep buds for years now already. I think they appeared like 2 or 3 times in my videos already. These are bangers, these are S tier across the board. They block off sound very well. They're super small, super comfortable. They have sleep mode with amazing sleep sounds. I'm not gonna go over them in depth here in this video because I've already talked about them way too much, but definite S tier. After that, I'm still like, there must be something else to make my sleep better, because here you're only comforting your ears, right? So what else is there? There's your nose, your eyes, your mouth, I don't know. So I scoured the internet, and at this point I haven't received everything yet, but I have 2 things already. The first one is a treat for your eyes because it is a sleep mask. I have tried sleep masks before, but this one clearly states, enjoy your life. Not only your sleep, but just your whole life. Like that's a big claim. And I mean, look at this box. This is a very fancy looking box, so I am expecting a lot of this. So the pictures of the people wearing these seem very happy, very well rested. So wow, this is extremely soft. Like this is wow, and this is nice. They have like cutouts. What have I become? I'm reviewing a sleep mask. Anyway, no, it's for science. It's for sleep. Everyone like, yes, this is very educational. But yeah, they have like these cutouts, so that's what I hate about sleep masks. Like they push onto your eyes, and then, you know, there's some kind of pressure, you know, it's not fun. But of course, this wouldn't be something. You can already see it kind of dangling from there. There's a USB-C cable, because it has speakers in it. I don't know how well this would block out sound. I don't know how well these would sound. Let me actually try them on. Yeah. I mean, it's dark. Hey, this ain't sounding too bad. I'm already kind of regretting it because I don't know how well I'm gonna be able to sleep with the mask on. But yes, let's try it. Welcome to my bed. As you can see, I'm extremely comfortable, ready to go to sleep. But there were a few problems. First of all, the band on this thing, like where it overlaps, it kind of pushes into your head, which is not great. A good thing is, though, that the audio, like the speakers, they are pretty good, and especially for, you know, being in bed. I don't need like crazy speakers or whatever. The only thing is, because they are speakers, if you're laying on your side, they can kind of push into your head as well. Which is not great. Another thing is that it is super soft, but it doesn't feel, you know, that it's a material. It gets quite, I won't say wet, but it gets a bit damp. That's a good word, good word. Another thing, and that is especially not great for me, is that it pushes my nose closed even more. But that's where this comes in. Next item. I mean, it is, I guess, not really tech, but it is with magnets. So that's, I mean, I don't know when magnets were invented, but 200 years ago this was quite the technical feat, you know. And I actually struggle with this myself. But these are like things that you can like put on your nose to like open the flaps. I don't know how to say it. I have a very narrow bridge here and it's hard to breathe at night. So I've had these like stickers that I put on, and like they kind of pull away the nostrils, so there's some more air can pass through. But these you have to stick magnets onto your nose, and then like this black thing snaps on it, so it really pulls your nose open. So it claims, what does it claim? I don't know, it doesn't say anything on it. Oh, opens your nose up to 80%. 80%, that's a lot. That's more than like 70, which is what the stickers claim. So instantly relieves snoring. I don't snore. To last all night. Well, I also want to wear it in the day right now. Again, not really tech, but you know how powerful this could be if you like match this or like this, you do this together with the sleep mask and the sleep buds. You're like sleeping for days. And the stickers work quite well, but I feel like the magnets, you know, they have a stronger gravitational pull. So I'm expecting more of this, you know. Come here, you're gonna be my mirror, okay? Instructions is something we don't need, so damn, they give you a lot. I guess you have to replace them like every single time, right? I need instructions. Scan the code, no. Oh my, whoa. Look at this high quality stuff. God damn. Clean, I'm always very clean. Oh, you have to, okay. Steel disc, oh God. Yes, it's very close. Perfect. I think I kind of... This might not be correct, but hey. It's my first time, we're learning. And then you just snap them on. Oh my God. The oxygen that's coming into my nose is crazy. I don't know how much stuff you can see in there, but my nostrils are widened. Yeah, that is a big difference. That's even better than the stickers. It is in my vision though, so you can kind of see the thing, but I also feel like the stickers are already loosening up because the magnets are so strong. But holy, yeah, see, that one is already loose, god damn it. Okay, but I think if I stick them correctly, or if I actually use a real mirror, I think that would work better, but you know, again, I'll report back when I've tried these during the night, because that's what they're for. So as you can probably tell right now, I'm not wearing the black plastic thing over my nose. They do the job very well, but because of the plastic, I think like it can hurt a little, especially if you're on your side and like the plastic can like push into your nose a little. These are just like the stickers. They work better and they're more comfortable, but I'll put them in the same category. Again, not really tech, but I do feel like they deserve a spot on this list. So for this guy over here, I feel like I'm just not an eye covering guy. I don't know. So yeah, I would say C tier. Solid, but not for me. The nose thingies though, if you go for the black magnet ones or these ones, these are cheaper as well. So I mean, these are getting a straight S tier as well. These are great. So definitely would recommend. Obviously a fan favorite location to catch up on some sleep after, I don't know, a rough work day or just a lazy Sunday is obviously the couch. And what better way to relax than to be massaged? Not by a human, but by technology. Because I have the renpho Iris 1 here. Pampering eye massage, heating function. Portable, sleek design, and a immersive music experience. It's like an all-in-one, like we don't need humans anymore. This is not really a sleep product, but it can help you make you sleepy. I feel like that's as important as the sleeping itself. So the idea of my face being touched by technology is quite unsettling, but you know, everything for science. So please touch me. I mean, I know the brand, like they make some solid stuff, so I mean, I don't doubt the quality of the product, but I mean, if you can't find the USB port, you have to like open the flash. I guess I'll need some instructions. Air pressure plus heat, air pressure plus heat plus continuous vibration, heat only, air pressure, and vibration. This is not gonna explode my eyeballs, right? Okay, please allow me to keep my eyes.
Please close your eyes.
Please
relax and enjoy.
Did you
Pressure plus heat.
Did you hear that? It is pushing in my eyes. Whoa, it goes around the side as well. Wait, hold up. Renpho might be cooking. Hey. Wait, hold up. This is actually kind of nice. It could go a little harder. Wait, let me push some buttons.
Strong pressure. Air pressure plus heat plus vibration.
Do you hear what it's saying? Whoa, it's playing, it's playing relaxing sounds. I'm in a whole different world right now. Whoa. Why am I, it feels like this is not, what is the vibration? I did not expect this to be good. Wait.
Soft pressure.
No, I need tough pressure.
Strong pressure.
Strong pressure. Grr. This is good. Wait, how do I turn this off though? It's sweaty in there. But I'm relaxed. I am giving that an S tier. I was not expecting that. Usually these massage things are like not great. But damn. And it comes with free snacks. Let's go. Yeah, I am using this. This is great. S tier. Alright, so at this point we've talked about going to sleep, but we haven't really talked about, you know, waking up, which is obviously a big part of sleeping as well. Well, at some point in your life it is not anymore, but for now it is. And there's not really many things that help you wake up. The only thing that I found or that I've seen are like those lamps that, you know, it mimics the sun, right? It slowly goes from like 0 to, I don't know, 100% of light. So you kind of have the feeling that you're waking up with the sun coming up, right? For me personally, I hate it. It F tier, straight F tier. I really don't like it. It feels like you're waking up in a fridge. I haven't specifically bought a lamp for, you know, this video, but I do have like Philips Hue in my bedroom, so I can, you know, use it with that. I'd rather have just some like kind of see-through curtains that, you know, if the sun comes up, it just shines some natural light into my bedroom. But of course, you know, if it's winter or whatever and you have to go to work, to school, whatever it may be, I mean, you don't have natural light. But I feel like having an alarm and just a short pain of an alarm and just getting up is way nicer. Well, it's bad for 2 minutes and then it's fine. But that's nicer than, you know, gradually like having light come on. I don't like it, but you know, it might work for you, but for me it is straight S tier. F tier, not S tier. But there you have it. I mean, we've seen actually surprisingly a good amount of good stuff, so no excuses anymore for not sleeping well. So I'm expecting you very well rested in the next video, but for now, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you then. Bye.